yo
หลายคนถามหลายคนก็สงสัยสเต็มมาของ MFF นั้นเป็นอย่างไรอะ STEMMA
Hello everyone, this is week 4 and today's experiment is called gliding flower. So, what we need for this experiment is 2 bottle caps, sellotape, a balloon, an old CD, and some paper decorations to turn the CD into a flower. So, we will glue or stick with tape the caps onto the middle of the CD, put some holes into the caps, and then we can stick our flower decorations onto it. So it looks like a beautiful flower. So we need to blow up the balloon before we put it over the bottle cap like this. So now we are going to let the air out and the flower should glide along. Wow! That was amazing! It moved all on its own because of the air coming out of the balloon. Okay, bye everyone!